Hello, friends. I had been exploring different use cases of ChatGPT-4o for the past couple of weeks, from data analytics to business process automation to marketing to copywriting to content writing, whatnot. But the feature that I'm going to share with you today in this video is an absolute game changer. Let me show you how. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT 4o to learn any language, or you can also use it to improve your existing language skills. Here we go.
Hi Chad, I would like you to take the role of a Spanish language teacher with 20 years experience. I want you to help me learn the basics of Spanish language. We'll do it this way. I'll speak a sentence in English and I want you to translate that sentence into Spanish and try to explain it to me in the easiest possible way. Understood?
Understood. I'm ready whenever you are. Just give me a sentence in English and I'll translate it to Spanish and explain it to you. Let's get started.
The first sentence is Today is quite a sunny day.
The translation of today is quite a sunny day into Spanish is Hoy es un día bastante soleado. Here's a breakdown. Hoy means today, is. Undi means a day. Bastant means quite. Soleado means sunny. So hoy es un día bastante soleado literally translates to today is a day quite sunny.
That's wonderful. Thanks for the help. Now I would like you to translate My name is James.
The translation of my name is James into Spanish is Me llamo James. Here's a breakdown. Me means myself or me. Llamo comes from the verb llamar, which means to call. James remains the same, as names usually do not change. So Me llamo James literally translates to I call myself James. This is the common way to introduce yourself in Spanish.
That's wonderful. Here is the next sentence. I would like some tortilla bread for today.
The translation of I would like some tortilla bread for today into Spanish is Me gustaría un poco de pan de tortilla para hoy. Here's a breakdown. Me gustaría means I would like. Un poco de means some or a bit of. Pan de tortilla means tortilla bread. Para hoy means for today. So, me gustaría un poco de pan de tortilla para hoy literally translates to I would like some tortilla bread for today.
That's wonderful. Thanks a lot for your help. Can you help me with another similar task?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. What's the next task you'd like assistance with?
I want you to translate I want you to translate
Sure. What sentence would you like me to translate?
I want you to translate my sentences in English into Spanish and Arabic and explain both of them in the easiest possible way.
Got it. Please provide the sentence you would like translated into both Spanish and Arabic, and I will explain each translation for you.
Perfect. Here is the first sentence. This is my friend James.
The translation of This is my friend James into Spanish is Este es mi amigo James. Here's a breakdown. Este means this, used for masculine nouns. Es, me means my. Amigo means friend, masculine form. James remains the same. So, Este es mi amigo James literally translates to This is my friend James. The translation of This is my friend James into Arabic, Hada Sadiqi James. Here's a breakdown. Hada means this, used for masculine nouns. Sadiqi means my friend. James remains the same. So, Hada Sadiqi James literally translates to This is my friend James.
That's wonderful. If I start speaking in Arabic, will you be able to point out the mistakes in my sentence, help me improve and translate that sentence into English?
Yes, I can help with that. Feel free to start speaking in Arabic, and I will point out any mistakes, help you improve, and translate the sentence into English. Go ahead.
Haza Sadiqi James.
It looks like there's a small mistake in your Arabic sentence. It should be Hada Sadiqi, James. Here's the breakdown and correction. Hada means this. Sadine's my friend. James remains the same. The correct sentence is Hada Sadiqi James. The translation is This is my friend James.
That's wonderful. Thanks a lot for your help, and I will get back to you.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Feel free to reach out anytime you need assistance. Have a great day.
So, from these examples, you can clearly see how ChatGPT-4o not only understands the language, but the nuances and the structure of a sentence as well. It gives me step by step instructions about how sentences are formed in particular languages like Spanish and Arabic. You can also have a conversation in different languages of your choice, and you can also get the feedback from this super intelligent language teacher of yours. So I want you guys to explore these features in detail and let me know in the comments section what you think about these. Stay tuned for amazing content about ChatGPT. Thank you.